Hi guys, and welcome to our new video about how to create a budget and stick to it. Chapter 1. Understanding your financial situation. In this chapter, we will look at the first step in creating a budget and sticking to it. Understanding your current financial situation. This is a crucial step in developing a budget, as it allows you to gain a clear picture of your financial assets and liabilities. This will help you determine where your money is going and how you can best allocate it to reach your financial goals. We will cover the following topics in this chapter. 1. Assessing your income. 2. Tracking your expenses. 3. Identifying your financial goals. 4. Evaluating your credit history. 5. Establishing a savings plan. By the end of this chapter, you will have a better understanding of your financial situation and be better prepared to create a budget and stick to it. 2. Setting financial goals. Setting financial goals is an important step in creating a budget. Without having tangible goals, it can be difficult to stay motivated and on track with your budget. Your goals should be realistic, measurable, and attainable. Here are a few tips on how to set financial goals. 1. Start with short-term goals. Breaking down large goals into smaller, short-term goals can help you stay focused and motivated to stay on track. 2. Make your goals measurable. Being able to measure your progress towards a goal will provide you with a sense of accomplishment and help keep you motivated. 3. Set a timeline. Setting a timeline for your goals will help you stay on track and ensure that you don't lose sight of your end goal. 4. Revisit your goals. Regularly revisiting your goals will help ensure that you are still on track and motivated to reach them. By setting financial goals, you will be able to stay on track with your budget and ensure that you reach your financial goals. 3. Creating a budget. Now that you have identified your financial goals and gathered all the information you need, it's time to create your budget. To do this, you'll need to start by tracking your income and expenses. 1. Track your income. Your income is the foundation of your budget, so it's important to track it accurately. Write down all sources of income, such as wages, bonuses, investments, and other sources. 2. Track your expenses. Track your expenses by categorizing them into fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include your rent, car payments, and loan payments. Variable expenses include groceries, entertainment, and other discretionary expenses. 3. Calculate your net income. After you've tracked your income and expenses, subtract your expenses from your income to calculate your net income. This is the amount of money you have available to allocate to your financial goals. 4. Allocate money to your financial goals. Once you've calculated your net income, allocate a portion of it to the financial goals you've identified. If you're saving for retirement, you may want to put 10% of your net income into a retirement account. You can also allocate money to other goals, such as saving for a home or paying off debt. By tracking your income and expenses and creating a budget, you will be able to stay on track with your financial goals. 4. Tracking your spending. Now that you have a budget, it's time to start tracking your spending. This is a key step in making sure you stick to your budget. Tracking your spending helps you stay on top of your finances and ensure that you're staying within your budget. One of the easiest ways to track your spending is to use a budgeting app. There are many budgeting apps available that can help you track your spending and stay within your budget. These apps allow you to enter your expenses and income, and then track how much you've spent on each category. You can also use a spreadsheet or simple notebook to track your spending. You can use these to record your income and expenses, and then add up the totals of each category to make sure you're staying within your budget. In addition to tracking your spending, it's also important to review your budget and spending regularly. This will help you stay on top of your finances and make any necessary changes to your budget if needed. By tracking your spending and reviewing your budget regularly, you can ensure that you're staying within your budget and making the most of your money. 5. Adjusting your budget. Making and sticking to a budget is an ongoing process that involves making adjustments as needed. As your life or financial situation changes, your budget should change too. Here are some tips for adjusting your budget. 1. Reevaluate your budget every month. Take some time once a month to review your budget and make any necessary adjustments. This will help you stay on track and catch any potential issues before they become serious. 2. Cut unnecessary expenses. If you're having trouble sticking to your budget, look for places where you can cut back on spending. Are there any expenses that are unnecessary or that you can reduce? 3. Monitor your spending. Keep track of your spending to make sure you're staying within your budget. If you're overspending in certain areas, figure out a way to reduce your spending in those areas. 4. Set up a savings plan. If you're not already saving money, set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will help you save for your long-term financial goals. 5. Look for ways to increase your income. If you're having trouble making ends meet on your current budget, consider ways to increase your income. You may be able to get a second job, start a side business, or take on freelance work. By following these tips, you can adjust your budget as needed to make sure you're making the most of your money. With the right budgeting strategy, you can achieve your financial goals. 6. Sticking to your budget. Now that you have created your budget and have a plan for tracking your expenses, it's time to put it into practice. Sticking to your budget can be difficult, but with the right strategies, you can stay on track and make the most of your money. 1. Automate. Automating your budget can help you stay on track. Set up automatic payments for your bills, and if possible, automate your savings. Automating your budget will help you stay on target, and you won't have to worry about forgetting a payment. 2. Review regularly. Review your budget and spending frequently. This will remind you of your goals and help you stay on track. 3. Track expenses. Tracking expenses is an important part of staying on budget. Record all of your purchases and compare them to your budget. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and stay within your budget. 4. Prioritize. Prioritize your spending and focus on the most important items. Make sure you are allocating enough money for essentials like food and rent, and then focus on allocating money for non-essential items. 5. Reward yourself. Give yourself small rewards for sticking to your budget. This will help you stay motivated and remind you of your progress. By following these steps, you will be able to stick to your budget and make the most of your money. With discipline and a plan, you can achieve your financial goals. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment letting us know what you thought. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. Thanks for watching.